Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to withdraw your Polkadot tokens from your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet to the Bitrue exchange in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will keep you secure and up to date, helping you manage your assets like a pro. Whether you're holding DOT for staking or just want to trade, this process is simpler than you might think, so let's get started. First things first. Make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated to the latest firmware. This is crucial for security in 2025's advanced blockchain environment. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your device via USB. Once it's connected, navigate to the Polkadot app on your Ledger by going to the app menu and selecting it. You'll see your DOT balance right there. Exciting, right? Next, head over to your Bitrue account on their website or app. Log in securely and go to the deposit section for Polkadot. Bitrue will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this address carefully, as it's your key to success. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back on Ledger Live, select your Polkadot account and choose the Send or Withdraw option. Paste the Bitrue address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of DOT you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. You'll need to confirm this on your Ledger device itself by checking the screen and pressing the buttons to approve. This hardware wallet step adds an extra layer of security against hacks. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the network to process your withdrawal. In 2025, Polkadot transactions are lightning fast, but it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitrue account to see when the funds arrive. A quick word of caution. Always use two-factor authentication on exchanges like Bitrue, and never share your seed phrase. Also, be mindful of any transaction fees, they can add up. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. And there you have it. Your Polkadot is now safely on Bitrue. This method keeps your assets secure while giving you flexibility. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.